How to fix Spotify stopping music when playing games on Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go on settings of your phone, then you have to go directly to apps or applications. And here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Spotify. And when you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store is and updating your Spotify. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.